to Jude's Tuesday Tip. Today we are going to make popcorn. So me and Theo were playing at the sprinklers together. Theo is my brother. And my mom brought up popcorn, but she a little bit burned it. I'm going to show you how to make me and my dad's, how we make it. First, you pour a fourth a cup of oil, coconut oil or olive oil. Then you put 3 or 4 kernels in. Then you wait until one pops. Now it pops, so it's ready. Remove it from the heat. Then you pour your kernels in. Let the steam come out while you're shaking it. Let it pair. When your mom makes it next time, you can tell your mom how to not burn it. Thanks for watching. See you next week.